Àti káàbọ̀ sí orí Ambulance Space TV channel. Fún àwa tá ti subscribe sí channel wa, àdúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín, àdúpẹ́ àkíyàn fún àwa tá ti subscribe. Ẹ má gbàgbé kí bá wa subscribe, bá wa like, bá wa comment. Ṣeun, love you, bye.
Bí ẹ ṣe dé wọ́n ní kó jẹ́ káwọn kíjímọ̀ ó lọ kíjímọ̀ wọ́n dé wọ́n ṣubú lẹ́nu mọ́tò gbogbo èrò ló pélé wa lórí lánàá pàṣẹ wọ́n ṣe wọ́n wá sọ́spítù ní àtàlù ẹ̀rọ tí ń gba drip wọn lájú wọn jù bọ́kan ẹ̀ẹ́gbẹ́ yìí kí àìjẹ mi gbé ẹ̀yin alágbára ẹ ṣàánú mi ẹ̀gbẹ́ yìí kan fọwọ́ lágbá mi lójú kò tiẹ̀ yé mi wọ́n báyìí ó ti sú mi ẹ ṣàánú mi ẹ̀gbẹ́ yìí kí àìjẹ mi gbé.
Good evening, everyone. A very quick one. I saw a post on the Instagram shortly now, and it's about Lawori. I saw his wife crying that he has been having, medical issues after the attack on him and all that, and she was crying. Please, I want to ask Nigerian police. Till date, we've not heard that anybody has been arrested concerning that case. Are we going to wait till he's dead and we all start crying or shouting justice for Lawori before somebody is being arrested or before investigation will start? Please, we need to know. We need Nigerian police to please swing into action on this matter. Yeah, that's how you started with Mohbad and nobody was talking about it until that boy died. And we're all crying and shouting justice for Mohbad. Until date, there's no justice anywhere. We cannot fold our hands and watch somebody attack the other person and nobody is even talking about it. It's sad. That's the bully of the highest order. I don't know what name is being called under the law, but I know that's more or less like a murder attempt. Please, Nigerian police, please swing into action, please. We need arrest on that case. We need to know what's going on. We need to find out who actually attacked him. Thomas Olotobo wani wọ́n fi go no fi pa ẹ lawon ra wọ́n fi kini kan ṣe kini kan ṣó yẹ kí Lawori náà tún wá rí bẹ́ẹ̀ Arebo yin yogi sí Mohbad ton lu káàkiri ìgbà tó kú tán abere sí pariwo just Mohbad. Now this time around it's Lawori's case. An attack on one, an attack on all. Thank you.